Wednesday morning in Galveston. There's the Gumbo Diner over there. They got good food. Wednesday morning, kind of crappy right now. Hopefully it'll clear up though. Damn sure wouldn't want to be out there going deep sea fishing right now though. It's liable to get kind of nasty. This is really cool though. I love staying at the Commodore. Some people do, some people don't. It's cheap, it's decent, and it's right across the street from the beach. And it's a good beach. It's not a piece of crap or anything like that. This is a nice little 2-3-star hotel. All the rooms are facing the ocean. Every daggone one of them. Which is really cool. My room's directly in front of you right now. I really like it. I'm 15 feet away from the pool. You can't beat that.